Okay, so that went alright. Cut that piece out. I'll hold it up there and show you in a moment. You can see this is the inner, it's actually like a brace type thing. I think the inside part looks okay, the outside part's sort of rotted. So I'll replace it as far up as I need to, probably right the way up to this, right the way up to the fold here, down there, and then it comes down to the inside of the guard here by the looks of things, around there. So I'll just recreate all that, won't be hard at all. This brace, I cut through it a little bit, I can weld that back up. I'll just cut out the rot. I'm not sure how far that's supposed to go down, I think just as far as there. It's just to give the guard something secure to bolt to, I think. But I left this little corner here. So this is my panel. I just put a little bit of a curve into the bottom, literally just rolled it over the tyre there. So if I hold that in place, actually fits nicely right the way around. Fits nicely right the way around. That was the overlay cutting method. That just gives me a 1mm gap so I can get penetration when I weld. Can't get it right in here at the moment, so I've left the bottom lip there. I left that there to show me where the shape is. May remove it, I may leave it and work with it. I'll see, I'll dig in a bit deeper and have a look. It's a bit dinged in here, it's a bit rusted there, so I'll probably end up coming right the way back to here and cutting it, but I may still leave this. It's a little bit bent, but won't straighten it out. Other than that, happy with it. So, looks pretty good in there otherwise. I'll take the opportunity to clean it up, rust convert it and so on, as I said before going too far. I'm working in between showers on the side of the road at the moment here, so that's why there's car noise and so on, so I won't probably get too much more done now, but we will get back to it.